My name is Alezuyo Desire Gloria. I'm so happy to have had a chance again to attend this workshop with affirmative art. And the last time I was so inspired that I was able to think about what I would want to be in future. And previously I'd thought of, and I've always had the zeal to always be a forensic psychologist, and to work in the prisons, to work in the legal system, to help advocate for the rights of mentally sick people and those with other mental complications. And since that time up to now, I think I should really appreciate affirmative art, because it was through them that I was able to dig deep into what I think I could be. And through their artwork, I was able to picture myself in some position, and in the near future, seeing some people's lives improve and justice being accorded to them. And I've so much worked from the last time, that was last year, we had this training. Since that time, I've always worked hard and tried to associate with people and also work with organizations that could groom me into achieving this dream. And now today this chance again comes, and I think it is timely addressing my challenge of how really I can come to achieve this, because this has now taught me that I have to go through a process, like to look back on what I've been doing and what I could do again, and then how I could motivate myself to achieving this dream, and then set also plans or set targets like on how I can best achieve this. And I think through this training that I have attended today, I've been able to focus back on what I've been doing. So I finished a degree course, and then recently I am thinking of enrolling for a master's degree in forensic psychology. And then also after this, I think what I'll do next is to continue working with such people and to work with organizations that address similar interests, and then also to maybe attend workshops and also do outreaches in the communities to learn more and educate the community more about the rights of such people, so that they are not really ill-treated or they are not unfairly treated. So I've also thought of maybe documenting my findings, so that I would in future rely on it and maybe also refer in case I would have some cases that I will have to deal with. So I'll have to keep documenting to help me. And then also, rewarding myself, I have to keep visiting the such centers, like the rehabilitation centers where these ones are kept, and then also the legal systems, to see how the justice is being handled and how the cases have been heard, so that I can get experience and also share a few of the challenges that I see, and also be able to see exactly on ground how these people are really treated. So visiting them in the rehabilitation centers and even their homes can be of help to me. And then doing more research and reading more about mental illness, maybe attending workshops and trainings regarding such issues, I think can really motivate me and help me learn more about this, and in the end it can help me and drive me towards achieving my goal. So how I would want to really achieve it, maybe in future if I finish the master's course, what I'll think next is just to continue working with such people, and then also partnering with other organizations, like networking, sharing information on these issues and being able to coordinate with them. And then also maybe I would say also sharing the findings, because what they might find out may not be exactly what I find out. So sharing what I have with others can be of great help to me. Yeah, I think that's a little I can share.